Today I want to review this bagless vacuum cleaner Deik, which is good. And the most important thing, it's very light and small. It's just 3 kilo. So I used to have Henry vacuum cleaner, which is very heavy, and with 2 kids, oh, it's so difficult to use it every day, sometimes twice a day. So I just want to try something different, and I bought this vacuum cleaner and I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, so it came already assembled, so all you need to do is just to attach this pipe, and that's it, and to use it. And you have small pipes for dust, for corners, and for skirting boards and useful things. Okay, so as you can see, my floor is very dirty today, and yeah, with 2 kids it's very difficult to keep it clean all the time. So now I can show you how this hoover works. As you can see, it's empty now, so you will see how it's working. Let's start. It's very easy to use. It's very light, and the most important thing, it's powerful, so it works very good for me. Thank you for watching.